The V200 dash cam. It already has this clear film attached, and that's because I have installed this specific one, but it comes out, it is very light, probably one of the lightest dash cams I've ever had. The way that it mounts is also kind of interesting. So you see this static cling mount? I'm loving these cling mounts. You put the static cling mount on your window, you place your 3M adhesive for the dash cam wherever you want it on there. And the beauty of this is if you ever need to remove it, like I did tonight, I just pulled it off of the window very easily by the cling wrap. So I was able to use this. So it's statically mounted. It's going to have a decent sized USB Type-C cord to go ahead and charge it. It is, you can use a house one. I was able to use that to get it started and working. And you can use a cigarette lighter. It also comes with an additional static cling here. So this is how you would install it with that static mesh that I was talking about, and an additional 3M adhesive. So if you do sell your car, switch cars, do something, you can remount it. And then this is not only a pry tool to help get this off of there, but this is actually to help run your cable across the side of your vehicle if you're running it and hiding it like I have. This is a upholstery / plastic trim tool, and it works really well. So you can hide the cables very well on this. Let me show you what it looked like in our car, and then I've got a little sample video from it. This is the look that you're gonna have when it's installed. This is that cling wrap I was telling you about. See how we have tinted windows, and the cling wrap goes right over the tint, no problem. From the outside, you can see that white sticker from the 3M adhesive. And then this is actually a little clip of going down the road. This is the view of it, 2.5K picture. Frame rate looks really good, as you can see. This is the daytime view. I'm gonna open up the app. We're gonna power this thing up, and then I'm gonna show you the app side view so we can take a look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and plug any old USB-C into it. One drawback here, it doesn't come with a micro SD. It's actually talking right now. VCar is the app, and it connects directly to the device. Now, I don't know if it actually connected to it, so I can say connect camera, and now you're going to get to see a live view out of it of my studio, my very dirty, very busy studio. It's not designed specifically to be a webcam or anything, but you know, it's got a really decent picture and the exposure is decent. It does record to that micro SD constantly. If it feels an impact or a hit, it will actually do an emergency video record on it, and it'll keep that. Let's go take a look at what the video looks like in the evening. Now, video playback for me on the Wi-Fi was a little bit stuttered. So it stutters a little bit. What I was able to do to overcome that is just download the file. This is such a large file, but that's the video quality that you're seeing at night of the same dash cam. So amazing quality. There are some other different ones that it does. If you lock a file, like you don't want it to be deleted, you can do that. But another really important thing about this is the way that they save money is to use your phone as the interface to the dash cam. One other quick thing, if you're thinking about continuously watching your dash cam on your phone while you're driving, which would be a bad thing, you can, but you can't do it with CarPlay at the same time. So if you've got Apple CarPlay wireless, it takes over your Wi-Fi. This uses Wi-Fi to communicate, so it can't do that at the same time. Just so you know, surprisingly capable. It will be a little bit annoying with all the prompts that it does, but definitely something you should have one of in every vehicle.